This is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's got everyone talking. Powered by cutting-edge Galaxy AI features, insane camera upgrades, and a display that'll make your jaw drop. But wait, is it really worth your money? Let's cut through the hype, dive into the details, and find out if this is the ultimate flagship or just another yearly upgrade. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Starting with the design, the appearance of a phone is crucial, right? The S25 Ultra certainly makes a strong impression. It features an ultra-smooth, flat display with rounded edges that convey a contemporary and elegant feel. But here's the interesting part. Samsung has upgraded to a Grade 5 titanium frame this time around, compared to the Grade 2 titanium used in the S24 Ultra. What does this mean for you? It results in a lighter device. Weighing in at just 219 grams, the S25 Ultra is pleasantly light given its advanced technology. Now, let's discuss the screen, because honestly, if you're streaming videos or gaming, the display needs to be top-notch. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.86-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that is nothing short of breathtaking. With the help of ProScaler technology, everything appears more vivid and clear. Whether you're binge-watching a series or examining game details, the colors pop impressively. However, here's a twist. If you're upgrading from the S24 Ultra, the difference might not be glaringly obvious. It's still a fantastic display, but the S24 Ultra didn't fall short either. Beneath the surface, this smartphone is a powerhouse. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, it comes equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage. If you're upgrading from an older model, you'll notice a significant speed enhancement. Yet, if you're coming from the S24 Ultra, the speed increase might not be as remarkable. It performs well, but not dramatically so. Now, let's explore the cameras. Samsung has included a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope lens that offers 5 times optical zoom and can reach up to 100x digitally. Plus, there's a 12-megapixel front camera. That's quite a number of megapixels, but the real inquiry is, how well do they perform? Samsung has significantly enhanced the camera functionality. You can expect improved image quality, reduced video noise, and a new audio eraser feature that can remove unwanted background sounds from your recordings. So, if you're capturing a video and a passing car horn interrupts, you can now eliminate that distraction. However, it's important to note that if you own the S24 Ultra, the enhancements in the S25 Ultra's camera might not be as impressive. They are excellent, but you may not feel deprived if you're already using the S24. Let's discuss battery life. The S25 Ultra has a 5,000 mAh battery that promises to last throughout the day without issue. With 45-watt fast charging, 25-watt wireless charging, and 9-watt reverse wireless charging, there are multiple convenient ways to power it up. But here's the catch. If you're constantly using your phone throughout the day, you will definitely appreciate the battery life. For a more casual user, however, the improvements might be less noticeable. Finally, One UI 7, along with Android 15, introduces some exciting features. Enhanced AI capabilities, improved S Pen integration, and productivity tools make this phone feel more intelligent. So if multitasking is your thing, this upgrade will surely meet your needs. So, should you consider an upgrade? If you're moving from an older model like the S22 Ultra or earlier, the S25 Ultra represents a significant advancement. However, if you're currently using the S24 Ultra, you might want to think twice. The improvements are present, but whether they justify the cost is a decision only you can make. What's your take? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra tempting you? Or are you sticking with your current device? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another review. Thanks for joining me.